Stop! Your iPhone has a built-in password manager, and most people still don't use it properly. It can save your passwords, create strong passwords, warn you about weak ones, and even help you sign in faster. Let me show you. Open the Passwords app. If you don't see it, swipe down on your home screen. Search for passwords. Open it. Use Face ID or enter your passcode. Now you'll see your saved passwords. Tap All. Here you can search for any website or app. Tap 1 and you can see your username, your password, and security details. Now here's the useful part. Tap Security. Your iPhone will show passwords that are weak, reused, or possibly leaked. If you see any warnings, change those passwords first. Now tap the plus icon. You can manually add a new login. Add the website, username, and password. Then tap Save. Now your iPhone can autofill it next time. This is much safer than writing passwords in notes, and much easier than trying to remember everything. Most people already have this on their iPhone, they just never open it. Now you know where it is.